Most of you don't know a lot about Korg from Thor Ragnarok. Well, that Korg is played by Taika Waititi, who was not only acting but also producing the Thor films. Taika's net worth has passed $14 million since his affiliation with Marvel Entertainment. Marvel has given recognition and grew the fan base of a lot of underrated Hollywood celebrities, including Taika. Let's make this video more interesting by finding out all about Taika's luxurious lifestyle. Not only is he one of Marvel's nicest and funniest people, but Taika is also listed as one of the most influential people in Time magazine. Taika became a millionaire when he invested in Marvel Entertainment projects. According to sources, Taika's main source of income are from producing, acting, brand promotions, and paintings. So, let's find out how he makes his millions and how he spends them. Ever since he gained recognition through Marvel Entertainment, Taika Waititi is said to be pulling out $1 to $2 million from his work every year. Besides his annual income and a renowned status in Hollywood, Taika is a very down-to-earth and funny guy. Since the day he played Korg in Thor, he created a separate fan following. People across the world love him genuinely. But let's just not tease further and end your curiosity about the actor's journey from being a Mr. Nobody to a straight millionaire. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire status of Thor's producer and star, Taika Waititi. So make sure to watch the video to the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. With roots all the way back in New Zealand, Taika now resides in a beautiful mansion in Los Angeles and is currently dating the 2000 pop star Rita Ora. Taika did not become a millionaire overnight. From being a normal guy to being a millionaire, there have been multiple phases of struggle and dedication. Taika made his debut in the cinematic world in 1999 when he starred in the New Zealand film Scarface. Taika started getting recognition in 2014 when his movie What We Do in the Shadows became a super hit and made millions. Since that day, Taika has worked hard in the industry to finally reach millionaire status. After all he has been through, he indeed deserves this rich status. According to the latest sources, ever since the New Zealand star has become rich and famous, he is said to earn $150,000 per month. Taika is also very active on social media and has a following of 3 million on Instagram. He loves doing brand promotions in the most basic and simplest way possible. All Taika has been doing recently is promoting his new project, Thor: Love and Thunder. He is very excited for its release and reportedly is tired of holding back spoilers. As of today, Taika has not only gained wealth and recognition but has also received many awards that have made him feel his work finally paid off. Taika is famous for his low-key life and he donates huge portions of his wealth to charities. Taika is an all-arounder. He has the looks, talent, and a decent brain that genuinely makes people like him. Where Taika flaunts his wealth on the things he likes, he is also a very giving person who doesn't wait for the perfect moment to give. It's not only his millionaire status, but his brilliant ideas for Marvel movies are what make the print media publish so many articles and stories about him. So, where has Taika spent most of his millions? Just like anyone else, a home is something Taika has spent most of his millions on. According to sources, Taika is in talks to sell his former house in Studio City in downtown LA for $2.3 million. He has recently purchased a $2.4 million minimalistic property in California. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the extra simple life of Taika Waititi? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.